السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. بسم الله الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد. This poem is a very heartfelt call to someone who once walked beside you through storms. Let's start a poem. Where are you now? Where are you now? When the winds have turned, when the pages burn, and the lessons learned, when the pages burn, and the lessons learned. You led me once through fire and rain, and now I walk through silent pain. Where are you now? The winds have turned. You held my hand. You held my hand when the road was steep. You stood so tall, I stood by you. You stood so tall, I stood by you. But now the sky has lost its blue. Where are you now? The winds have turned. Your voice once lit the darkest night. You taught me wrong, you taught me right, and you taught me wrong. You were the storm I could believe. You left too soon without a leave. Where are you now? The winds have turned. I walk your path with trembling feet, in every fall, in every defeat. And though you are gone, I hear you still. In every fall, in every will. Where are you now? The winds have turned. Oh guide, oh voice, will you return? Oh guide, oh voice, will you return? Will you return? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
125 125